Jim Frederick with TrueScapes Landscape Lighting and Belgard Hardscapes here today to discuss the benefits and installation techniques of our low voltage pillar lights. TrueScapes low voltage pillar lights are unique in that they're pre-wired for a low voltage installation, allowing you, the hardscape contractor, to install on site for your client. As with all TrueScapes fixtures, we provide as many pieces as we can to make your job easier. In the box, we include the fixture, the template, the gel-filled waterproof wire nuts, bulb, drill bit, and anchor kit designed for this fixture. Step one to the installation process is to take the provided template, center on your pier cap or wall caps, and mark with a marker to set your drill bit points. Next step is to remove the plate and prepare for drilling. Upon completion of drilling the 4 holes with the provided drill bit, we take the included anchor kit. I like to remove the base from the light, carefully set it aside. And I like to pre-thread the anchors onto the base. This allows me to set the proper height of the anchor before installation. Once installed, pass your wire through the base, set on your cap. Use a rubber mallet to lightly tap them in. You can remove the anchor nuts. All anchors are set at the right height. Hand tighten. Adjustable wrench. A few more turns. Install over the supplied anchors. Reinstall your acorn nuts. Base application is complete. The fixture can now be wired to your 14 or 12 gauge lead wire with the included waterproof wire nuts. Tuck your wires into the base. Install the lamp. The final step is to snug down the 3 Phillips head set screws, and you're done.